Medical and dental courses in the country will have a 27% reservation for other backward classes, 10% for economically weaker sections under the All India Quota scheme for undergraduate and postgraduate programs, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced on Thursday. This will apply to courses like MBBS, MD, MS, BDS, MDS and diploma medical programs for the academic year. Around 5,550 seats will be reserved in all four other communities thanks to this order. The roller coaster COVID figure in Kerala, many say, is the harbinger of the third wave of the virus in the country, expected to arrive by the next week. Of the 4.03 lakh active cases in the country, 1.5 lakh alone are from Kerala, accounting for more than 37% of the cases, government sources have said. Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope yesterday said that the surge in cases in Kerala can be seen as the beginning of the third wave. The Union Health Ministry has sent a 6-member team headed by National Centre for Disease Control Director S.K. Singh to the state to help with the COVID management. The Assembly of Aam Aadmi Party ruled Delhi has passed a resolution against the appointment of former CBI officer Rakesh Asthana as the Delhi Police Commissioner. The resolution has sought a reversal of the appointment from the Union Home Ministry, which controls the Delhi Police. Asthana got the appointment on Tuesday, just 3 days before he was set to retire. The ministry order said he was getting an inter-cadre deputation from Gujarat cadre to AGM UT, from where Delhi police chiefs are picked. The order also said his service was being extended initially for a period of 1 year beyond the date of his superannuation as a special case in public interest. China on Thursday reacted angrily to US Secretary of State Antony Blinken's meeting with a senior representative of Tibetan spiritual leader Dalai Lama in New Delhi, saying it is a violation of Washington's commitment acknowledging Tibet as part of China and not to support Tibetan independence. Blinken on Wednesday met N. Dongchung, an official in the Tibetan government in exile and representative of the Dalai Lama, in a clear signal to China about the Biden administration's continued support to the Tibetan cause. All 23 members of the poll strategist Prashant Kishore's IPAC in Tripura on assignment for Mamata Banerjee have been granted pre-arrest bail without conditions, as some of them face allegations of violating COVID rules. A few members of the IPAC have been summoned by the police on August 1. They have been served notice under a section of criminal law that leaves them open to arrest. On Tuesday, the entire team complained of being confined to their hotel by the police.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.